104 to Manor Park. Upton Park Station. One oh four to Manor Park. Queen's Market. One oh four to Manor Park. 2 Manor Park.
That's 512.
Yeah, that's 520.
Wait, so you this
I have the grades to go Havering and that, but I don't know how it's long.
what page did you have to get?
5s and 6s at least. Oh, you don't care about you.
No, I did. Well, listen, right now I don't need.
I go watch it like something.
Wait, Hebron College, wait, is that sports college?
You do sports. I think I have a sports thing center thing. Just separate. I don't know. I think so.
Right, so what did you? Wait, so that means you know that guy, what's his name? That little boy, what's his name? Is that man? A bit short. He came to West Ham, man. Yeah. The Arab guy.
Oh, him. He goes leaving.
Yeah, he's in here.
Crazy
He's one of
looking
the
Yeah,
older.
Chilling last week.
He's tech. He's one of the best players I've seen.
I didn't let him go past me.
He's tech.
I clapped him like 20 times.
He's a baller. I think him and some other guy, they're the best
It's
players
kind
I've
of hard
seen.
for him to make it up because he's not great for Charles and that.
What?
But he said he played for some semi-pro.
Yeah, he does. I saw him or something like that. Yeah. So I don't know when it's only suggested.
West Ham was also his calm.
West Ham.
Remember, we played matches for West Ham and that.
Yeah, but that's
And then you know from this West Ham, they could tell Shadow Heath to personal team and that.
is it?
Tell you.
That's
definitely.
cap.
Then West Ham as well, but they're like a level below as West Ham Academy. You know what's a level below West Ham Academy? Do you know that? Why you
104
what team is it?
He's played for West Ham.
Manor Park.
Tech. Polo.
I got young kids
Everything.
that play for West Ham. Do you know Gideon? Black guy from the later. What's his name again?
What's his name? Deep Valley. What's his name?
Yeah, him. Them two are in the same year. And then he played for West Ham and then I think the later he plays for later.
What's his name? Mus.
I don't know. Is it? Oh, flip, I don't know. And the reason why I don't rate him is because he dated my ex.
Huh?
He dated my ex.
What's that?
Ex-girlfriend.
Haldane
See,
Road.
you know he went 80 years old for his peak.
Jonas.
Jonas, yeah. But then him, yeah, I don't think he could make it first team. I can't.
He's lucky though. He gets to go to not Charles. He gets to go to the stadium and I think he's kind of
He
techy.
gets bruised, yeah, first off.
I think he's kind of techy though. I can't lie.
Proper fast, that's the thing.
Blow.
Not quick as her, yeah, you're in a team split.
That's
Nah, I've got every fast person to give it to you.
You have to have technical as well.
But then his crosses, I don't rate him.
104
No. Yeah, I want
Two.
Wait, do you know when he went to Leonardo? Do you know when he got signed? Not signed, but like.
When he was in like year 8 or year 7, I knew this guy from young. Even before year 7, I think he went to the same primary school. But me, I couldn't rate it a team long time ago. My parents let me go to football when I was younger. Their teams wanted to sign me.
That's cap.
I actually went for Charles when I was younger.
Yeah,
I swear down.
but what team got to sign you?
United, I swear down.
That's
West
cap.
Ham as well, yeah. And then
So you're telling me your dad told you?
Heavily
So
guarded.
you're telling me your dad told you
Yeah.
not to go to the academy, you have to focus on your studies?
Yeah, I swear down.
That's a lie.
But now he said because I'm doing well in college over here, I can back and forth.
But what do you even do?
IT.
That maths. Like maths is harder than
I'm only doing it so my parents can like give me space. If I would have just done IT and RS or something.
What's the RS?
Yeah, RS are ace now.
No, but RS is not like.
RS,
It's
if
not
I did the
forward.
exam, I would have got a 9. They gave me 6.